Looking for the best foot roller massager? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 foot roller massager on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Gaiam Restore Foot Massage Roller. Delivers a kneading effect that is sure to alleviate tension in the feet. Can be placed in a freezer or run under warm water to provide cold or warm therapy. Sold in multiple size options for added convenience. More affordable than many comparable options. A versatile massager that helps stimulate blood flow in the feet. Can be very squishy. Provides limited grip on carpet. May be difficult to roll. At number 2. Natural Chemistry Foot Massager Roller. Offers multiple intensity levels. Easy to carry with you in a bag or briefcase. Can be used on the feet, legs, arms and other body parts. Delivers results similar to those associated with a deep tissue massage. Ergonomically designed to match the contours of the feet. A massager that may make you feel like you are receiving a professional foot massage anytime you use it. Constructed from cheap, flimsy plastic. Very rigid in comparison to other massagers. At number 1. Theraflow Dual Foot Massager Roller. Designed for use both indoors and outdoors. Weighs approximately 1.6 pounds. Helps alleviate pain associated with plantar fasciitis and other foot problems. The wood construction guarantees the massager is strong and sturdy. An expertly constructed and lightweight massager that helps to quickly reduce or eliminate foot pain. Sometimes emits a pungent odor. Rollers tend to jam and won't roll freely at all times. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.